warehouse, nakakapagpalago ng negosyo. Tamang warehouse, pwede itong baguhin ang paraan ng pagtakbo ng business mo.
Isipin mo to, bawat delivery, bawat inventory, bawat produkto na pumapasok at lumalabas. Lahat dumadaan sa warehouse mo. Kaya ang warehouse ay hindi lang dapat malaki. Dapat matibay, maayos ang design at ginawa para sa paraan ng operasyon ng negosyo mo. Sa Smart House, we build prefab warehouses and pre-engineered steel structures that are planned with your business in mind. From engineering and design to fabrication and installation, every step is focused on creating a structure that supports your operations, not just today, but as your business grows. At saan ka man sa Pilipinas, Smart House is ready to serve you. We proudly provide nationwide warehouse solutions, bringing quality engineering and reliable construction wherever your business is located. Whether you're expanding your storage, building a manufacturing facility, or creating a logistics hub, we help turn your vision into a space built for performance. Ang warehouse ay hindi lang isang malaking expense. Isa itong investment sa future ng business mo.
Message Smart House today and let's build your future together, anywhere in the Philippines.